everybody. It's raining like crazy, and I just came home from visiting a friend who made me a really cool record bag for going shopping. You can see it's got little record players on it. How cute is that, right? And she also made me little dish towels. I thought they were super cute, and I'm really excited. Here's one with a boom pile on it. And then I come home to find that I have some VCLT from the famous Miss Trish Mullins. Thank you, Trish. So I'm going to crack this thing open. It's always a nice way to come home when you've got a package waiting for you. And I have to say, this is my favorite size package. I'm scared of hurting what's inside. Is there a note? Maybe? Oh, there it is. Hi Jenny, I saw these albums at a yard sale and thought you would like them. If you don't, pass them on. I won't be hurt. Well, I wouldn't dream of it, but thank you very much. Thank you for thinking of me. She sent Linda Ronstadt. Very nice. Love it that it's still in the shrink wrap. It still has the right liner inside. And ooh, I like this one even better. Aloha Moods. That is beautiful. Trish, you know me well. This looks super nice. Beautiful. Thank you so much. I can't wait to put the Aloha Moods right on the turntable. So, a good day. I hope you guys are doing well. It is raining buckets here. They call it a frog strangler here. Anyway, hope y'all are doing well and having a lovely day. And we'll talk to you soon. Thank you again, Trish. Bye.
We haven't met since then.